Hello gorillas! It's Mr. Shook here with our zoo designing project. Today you're going to be working on creating some zoo exhibits that have a given perimeter. So I'm starting with this zoo project sheet. On here it gives you all of the different requirements for your zoo project. I'll read the introduction to you. Rocket Ship Mateo Sheedy is designing its first ever zoo. It is looking for design submissions for its commissioners, Mr. Young and Mr. Shook, to decide on. This week, it is your job to design a zoo map that meets the design specifications listed below. On Friday, you will present your zoo maps to the judges. There are several design specifications listed here. First one is that there must be at least 15 animal exhibits in your zoo. For each group, you're going to have 15 different animals that you're going to be putting on. We've got ostriches, tigers, cheetahs, stags, goats, ravens, penguins, fish, all sorts. Second specification, which is the one we're going to be working on today, is that there must be at least one exhibit with each of the following perimeters, and they must be labeled. So you must have one exhibit that is 16 feet for a perimeter. You must have one exhibit that has 34 feet for the perimeter, one exhibit that has 28 feet for the perimeter, one exhibit that has 10 feet for the perimeter, and one exhibit that has 20 feet for the perimeter. I'm going to show you how to do this with 16 feet. Just like we did yesterday, I'm going to draw using a whiteboard to get 16 square feet. Now I know that I want a rectangle or a square, so if I have 4 sides with 16 feet each, that will be 4 feet on each side. So 16 feet equals P for perimeter. Now I'm going to count very carefully while I do this to make sure that I get exactly 16 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this length is 4 feet. Then I'm going to do 4 across. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's also 4 feet. Now I'm going to go back up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 feet. Then I'm going to go 4 across. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 feet. 4, 8, 12, 16. So this square has a perimeter of 16 feet. If I was going to make a different rectangle that also has a perimeter of 16 feet, it could look like this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 2 feet. We've got 6 feet. 2 plus 6 I know is 8, which is half of 16. So we go down another 6 right here and another 2 right here. 2 feet and 6 feet. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 6 is 16. There are many other ways that you can also make a square or a rectangle with a perimeter of 16 feet. When you figure them out on your whiteboards, then we are going to draw them on this very faint graph paper. The reason it's faint is so that when you present your zoo, people can't really tell that it's graph paper. So I'm going to pick this rectangle, this 4 by 4 foot rectangle, to draw on my graph paper. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks just like this so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4 feet. So this rectangle looks like this rectangle, 4 feet by 4 feet. Then I'm going to cut out this paper rectangle so that I can put it on my zoo. Now I have a 4-foot by 4-foot square that has a total of 16 feet on its perimeter. And I can put it up here as one of my exhibits. Today, you're going to be working on figuring out the perimeters of several different exhibits so that you can put them onto your sheet just like this in your groups. Mr. Young and I will tell you more after you have started to practice your perimeter and area finding via the zoo game. So go to that next.